Okay, my dear friends, the the first question given to all of you, why we need to go solar? Why we need to go solar? Okay, and now I am going to share one important resource, my dear friends. One very most important resource I am going to share. I spent nearly 4 months to develop this resource. Okay, are you all ready to take the resource? Now, scientificstudents.com, write down scientificstudent.com/solarlab.html, because I am using time. With less time, more connectivity. Please note down scientificstudents.com/solarlab.html. This is a wonderful resource. I spent nearly 10 hours a day multiplied by 3 months of work. So, scientificstudents.com/solarlab.html. This is the place where you come. Okay. See, scientificstudents.com/solarlab.html. SOLAR lab.html. solarlab.html. Like earlier, you remember I explained in one class all about scientificstudent.com/circuitlab.html to make all the electronic projects and all. But today, in Corona time, all this 4-5 months I worked very hard to develop this. You all play these videos and whatnot. Okay, if you come to this place, scientificstudent.com/solarlab.html. Okay, now click on solar. See, once you reach to this solarlab.html and click on online solar workshop. Click on online solar workshop. Once you reach to this workshop, then you will understand how I am operating and organizing, why we need to conduct such kind of workshops and all. You will have a wonderful idea. And also, I request you all understand my online sessions. Why we need to do solar course and all about solar products and all about solar resources. If you so what I request you all, if you wanted to know more about my Guru Solanki sir, you click onto this link. Okay, and then. Okay, another most important thing, I have very good friend Mr. Murthy Gudupati from NASA. He is working for several years there in NASA, working on global warming and all. So he sent this information from there, from his side to us to share. If you want to know more about Mr. Gudupati and myself, my connection with him, you click onto this link, okay, you will know all about, see how good friends we are. So likewise, I wanted to do good friendship with all of my edifiers also, and then make you all from local to global, my dear friends. Okay, I request all my edifiers to read today what is the content written by me. E means energy and energy is everything. From there, you please read all this material, all this write-up. And finally, I wanted to give you one important area, why what is this global warming. If you click this global warming, and what is the work I did for all of you, make you understand, and the question wise and the content wise from NASA and all the great resources. And if you spend your couple of hours to understand global warming and how do we control the global warming, as of now the index of global warming already reached 1 degree. But here the interesting point, if anyone can write a good point of this global warming from index point of view, 1 degree or 1.5 degree or say 0.5 degree or 0 degree or minus 0.5 degree or minus 1 degree and minus 1.5 degree, the scale, if anyone can explain me, I'm going to talk to our management and send one good prize and something from my side also to them. Okay, so I request all of you to read. You read all these things. Okay, what exactly is this 2018 IPCC report 2, and then all these things. And suppose if global warming is not controlled from 1 degree, if it reaches to 1.5 degree, then what are the kind of repercussions? I request all of you to understand. This is very important point that you have to take the responsibility to stop or at least control or at least minimize from 1 degree back to 0.5 degree. That is only possible that edifiers can do, no one else. Okay, so all edifiers has to become solar soldiers. and save the nation and save the globe and save the universe, all living beings. Corona is only attacking human beings, but if at all the global warming reach from 1 degree to 1.5 degree, all living beings who are going to be affected under the fire. All these points, Delhi was under such a big smog during this winter time, November, December and all. People are suffering with lung cancers, what not, so many side effects here with the global warming. I can't explain you in this time of 10-15 minutes. That is where I request all of you to go through this particular page and go through every single word written here by me and watch the video clips and click the climate change. My friend Gudipati Murthy from NASA shared this link. Wonderful. And also go on to the environmental pollution and read everything. Try to be a great powerful soldier. Now I'll tell you one thing. Now this last 1 minute I am sharing with you all. Okay. Now the sun god. Okay. This is one particular sloka, and then after this sloka, lastly, if you just click on this video. Okay, if this video, I request you to keep yourself silent for 1 minute. Let me close up and wrap up the session today. And later, if principal madam permits you, that you can ask me something, or otherwise communicate to a lot of connectivity we have with the WhatsApp, or say, or we can create some special group, science group or something. Our school can take your all questions and forward me. All these things are there. But ultimate my goal is you reach scientificstudent.com/solarlab.html. If you wanted to, once you go through all this particular web page, and then if you are going more interested, you can click on this workshop and learn all the things there, why we need to do all the workshop. And with the school permission, if at all anybody interested, yes, definitely we can conduct one online workshop for all of you. Let's go solar and make the things happen. Let's be solar soldiers of the nation. Soldiers don't have to be there only in the borders and save us. Okay, we can also save our country in much bigger way. The real soldiers, from being a solar soldier at every single point of the place. Otherwise, everybody is burning coal and not knowing the importance of wasting the coal, and how do we control CO2 emissions, and then how do we change, control the global warming. People are not aware. So I request all my edifiers to become very powerful personalities of the universe, and then make sure that you all will be soldiers of the universe, not to your own nation. Okay, my dear friends, I bless you all and happy, enjoy great Diwali, but make sure our Diwali is not by just firing the crackers. Okay, let us, because Diwali is the light of festivals, my dear friends. So let us celebrate the lights not by lighting shall we go on a solar wali Diwali? If at all you wanted to go solar wali Diwali, the way I am doing it on 14th of this coming November, talk to our principal madam, and if at all they are all happy, and then we shall do that for my edifiers also. So thanks for giving this opportunity, madam. I think I am done with this right now, and if at all madam give a permission that you all can take few questions.